Good morning, students. How are you all doing? I am sure you are taking very good care of yourselves. But hey, what happened? Aren't you in a mood to study? Okay, so just look at the pictures and change your mood. Yes, you guessed it right. It is a picture of a marriage ceremony and it is the entrance. Let us go inside. Oh wow, lovely arrangement, isn't it? Look at the decoration. My God, so colorful and bright it is. Now, here is the mehndi. I am sure it is the favorite part of a marriage function, for girls especially. Am I right, girls? Let us go to the food zone. Wow, the varieties of food is here. I can imagine the flavors and taste of these food items. Aren't you? I am sure you are. And here is the favorite part of the marriage ceremony, the dance floor, where we forget everything and move to the beats of the DJ. We enjoy all the functions of marriage. Either it is the Sangeet ceremony or other marriage functions. But I know a girl. Her name is Nina. She is upset after listening that along with her family members, she has to attend a marriage ceremony of her aunt. Why she is upset? This we will come to know after reading the lesson. So today we are going to read lesson number 2, Nina and the Baby Sparrow. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Here, the explanation is like this. All were happy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married and all the family members were going to attend the marriage ceremony. All were happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. For purchasing things, Nina and her mother went to the market. Her mother asked her, what color would you want for your dress? Nina said, I don't want a new dress, mother. Then mother gave her another option. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head again and showed disapproval. Mother said, okay, those lovely white shoes which you saw last week? Nina said, I don't want the shoes either. I don't want anything. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? They came back home and had lunch. After the lunch, mother sat near Nina and asked her, why you said no to everything in the market? What has happened to you, child? Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, 2 big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what is bothering you? More tears rolled down Nina's cheek. Mother said, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are 2 baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said Mother. Nina answered, Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. Her mother asked, why? Nina said nothing. Instead of giving answer, 2 big tears rolled down. Means she started crying. Like when you cry, your mother gives you a hug, cuddles you. Here, Nina's mother put her arms around Nina and said, don't cry, Nina. Tell me, what is bothering you? Why are you so worried? Share with me, her mother said. She started crying louder than before and said, there is a nest of a sparrow on the bookshelf in my room. There are 2 baby sparrows in the nest. Mother said, I see. Okay, now she understood why Nina was so upset. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep cheep asking for food. I see, said Mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? They are so small. They are getting their feathers and they are growing and are hungry always as they are growing up. They cry all the day long asking for food. They are always hungry. If we will go, the room will be locked up. And how Papa and Mama sparrow will feed their babies? When we go out, we also lock our homes for safety purposes. So Nina was worried, if we will go to the wedding, the whole place will be locked and the baby sparrows would survive without food. How they would survive without food? Oh Nina, cried Mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that is no problem at all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we, Mother? Can we, really? Yes, we will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So, the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. Nina's mother gave her a big hug and said, Oh Nina, so this is the reason why you don't want to go to the wedding? No problem, my dear. What we will do is, we will leave the window of your room open. Oh Mother, is it really possible? Yes, we will remove all the things from the room and will lock the door from outside. In this way, the house will also be safe and Mama and Papa Sparrow can come and go freely and can feed their babies too. Just think, Nina. While you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? Her mother said, Imagine when you will be attending the marriage and enjoying the wedding. Here the sparrows will be getting food and will grow in their nest. In this way, they went to the wedding, enjoyed too, and guess what happened when she came back? she found two fleshy or fat sparrows, little bit big in size, flying all over the room, and Nina was thrilled, was so happy to see them flying all over the room. So, this was the reason why Nina was not in a mood to attend the marriage of her aunt. But her mother gave her an idea and she attended the marriage also, and after coming back was so happy to see the baby sparrows flying all over the room. These are the difficult words. Do not write these words in your notes copy. The words are only for your understanding. Read the lesson, and we will meet in the next online session of the English class. Till then, take care.